We are learning to use number lines to count on when adding. Watch the warm-up video to get your brains thinking.
Cool cars, Moby. You've got a big collection. How many do you have? How do you count on one to add? When you add, you join groups or numbers together to find the total. Let's see. You have 1, 2, 3 blue cars. You add one pink car to the group. So we can start with 3 and count on 1 to get 4. Let's see. You have 6 green cars and 1 red fire truck. You can use a number line to help you add. You start with 6 and count on 1 more to get 7. When you count on 1, you count up 1 more. How do you count on 2 to add? You have 7 white cars and 2 orange tractors. You start with 7 and count on 2 more. 8, 9. There are 9 altogether. You can write a number sentence to show how you added the groups. You have a group of 7 white cars and a group of 2 orange tractors. The plus sign tells to add the groups together. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Now you have 8 silver cars and 2 motorcycles. You start with 8 and count on 2 more to get 10. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Altogether, you have 10. The sum is the answer to an addition problem, or how many you have in all. The sum of 8 plus 2 is 10. You can add the groups together in a different order and still get the same total. Well, you can add the motorcycles to the cars, or add the cars to the motorcycles. Either way, the sum is still 10. How do you count on 3 to add? You have 9 vans and 3 dump trucks. How many do you have in all? Start with 9 and count on 3 to get to 12. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. When you add, it helps to start with the larger number and then count on the smaller number. Well, it takes more time to start at 3 and count on 9. Sometimes you add nothing. How do you count on 0? When you add 0, you do not add anything. Here are 5 buses. Do you have more to add? So, you add 0. You still have 5 buses. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. You can write the number sentence up and down, too. You'll still get the same answer. I think there are no more cars left, Moby. No, wait, I found some. You started with 0 cars, but I gave you 3, so now you have 3 cars. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. You've got a great collection, Moby. Moby?
Hi everyone, this is Mild Maths, and we're going to be looking at using our number lines to count on. So a lot of us have been counting from 0 all the way up to the number that we need, but we're going to be working on starting at a different number, not just 0, and counting on from that number. We're going to start by drawing our number line. Alrighty, so there is our number line to start us off. Now, the sum that I'm going to start with first is 2 plus 3. Let's do 2 plus 3. Now to start out using our number line correctly, what we're going to do is we're actually going to start at 2. Now we can see number 2 is there, so we don't need to count 0, 1, 2. We don't need to do that. We can start at 2. And now we're adding 3, so we're going to count on. So that's what number lines is all about today, counting on. So we're not going to start here and count on the 3. We're going to start from the number that we are working on first, which is 2, and count on 3 more, like this. 1, 2, 3. There we have our answer. 5. Let's do another one together. Alrighty, this time we've got 5 plus 2. Pause the video here and say out loud what number you will start on. That's right, we're going to start on 5. And we're going to add on how many more? 2 more. 1, 2. We could even skip count that one. 2. And our answer is 7. Let's do a bigger number this time. Let's see if we can work it out. Using my number facts, I already know that this is 10. But we're going to show our working out using the number line. So I'm going to start at 1 and add on how many more? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. I've shown my working out. I started at 1 and I've counted on 9. Let's work our way into the 20s. Alrighty, so I've got 0 all the way to 20 on my number line. I'm going to write my sum out. Alrighty, we've got 5 plus 7. So we're going to start on 5 and we're going to count on 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's our answer? It's 12. Let's try one more together using our number line. Alrighty, this time I'm starting at 12. So I don't need to count 12. I can see 12 is right there. I don't need to count it. It's right there. So I put my dot there, ready to count on. I'm going to count on 3 more. 1, 2, 3. My answer is 15. Now it's your turn. Use the number line to help you add. Once you've done these ones, come up with some of your own. Draw a number line and have a try. Remember to pause the video here to write down your number sentences and number lines.